What to do when mental health matters? Ano ba yung ating gagawin pagka pinag-uusapan na or nakakaramdam na tayo na may problema na sa ating mental health? Always remember, mental health is just as important as our physical health. When you notice signs of stress, anxiety, depression, or other mental health concerns, taking proactive steps can make significant difference. So, ano ba yung dapat nating gawin or i-prioritize pagka meron na tayong nararamdamang mental health na problema or mental well-being? So, it is important to recognize the sign. So, signs, not only sign but signs. Pay attention to how you're feeling, persistence, sadness, anxiety, nakakaramdam tayo ng naiirita tayo, or changes sa ating pagtulog, and appetite. Ito, nag-i-indicate na kailangan na natin ng support. Reach out for support. You don't have to face mental health challenges alone. Talk to trusted friends or family members about what are you feeling or on how you're feeling about something. And remember, seeking help is a sign of strength. Consult mental health professionals. If your feeling persists or worsen, kailangan natin consider na mag-consult sa mental health professionals. So, sino-sino itong mga ito? Tulad ng psychologists, psychiatrists, they can provide diagnosis, therapy, or medications kung kinakailangan. You can also contact your mental health coaches. Practice natin yung self-care. So, mag-engage tayo sa mga activities na nagpo-promote ng mental well-being. It is also very important na i-practice natin yung mindfulness or mag-meditate tayo. Exercise regularly, a simple walk, pag nasa mall tayo, 30 minutes, continuous walking will help. Maintain din natin yung balanced diet natin. So, nowadays, marami ng pagkain na hindi nakakatulong sa ating balance diet. So, drink water. Yan, 8 glasses a day. So, ensure adequate sleep. So, pagka sinabing adequate sleep, kailangan siya ay 6 to 8 hours continuously, hindi po paputol-putol. So, yan, I've learned that one, especially sa a person I look up to, Mr. Romel Sergio, Doc Romel Sergio, yung adequate sleep na sinasabi. Take breaks and relax. Ayan. So, pagka napagod na tayo sa mga ginagawa natin sa mga trabaho natin or sa mga bagay-bagay, it is okay to sometimes take breaks at mag-relax din tayo pag na-stress tayo. So, reduce stress. Identify stressors and develop healthy coping strategies. Deep breathing exercises. Yung sasabi natin, breathe in, breathe out. Diba, pag nininervous tayo, yun ang sinasabi ng mga kaibigan natin or ka-circles natin na, mag-take deep breath ka muna. Breathe in, breathe out. So, it's very important. Journaling your thoughts. So, this is very important. Medyo makalumang style, pero napaka-importante na gino-journal natin. Ito yung tinatawag na nagda-diary ka. Isulat mo lahat ng nararamdaman mo. So, nung araw na yon, so I usually do it. Pagkakatapos ng araw, anong nangyari sa akin? Or in the morning, nag-journal din ako kung what do I want to achieve on that certain day. Okay? So, setting healthy boundaries. And, napaka-importante din na educate natin yung sarili natin. Pagka in-educate natin yung sarili natin, we were able to help as well other people na dumadaan dito sa ganitong sitwasyon. Learn about mental health to better understand your experiences and reduce stigma. Knowledge empowers you to seek appropriate help. By then, we can rejoice all together na mapagdadaan natin yung mental health. Diba? So, stay connected. Maintain social connections. Support from friends, family, or support groups can provide comfort and encouragement. Be patient and kind to yourself. So, recovery and improvement take time. Celebrate natin yung mga small victories and be compassionate with ourselves through this journey. And always remember, our mental health matters. Taking action today can lead to a healthier, happier tomorrow. Never hesitate to seek help. Remember, you're not alone. So, good day. Yes, always remember, seek help. Nandito lang po kami. So, lahat tayo mag-raise ng awareness with mental health. But don't only raise awareness. Let's do actions regarding this. God bless everybody.